Hi everyone, I'm Jill Molnar, one of the wealth advisors on the Cornerstone team, and I'd like to chat a little bit about what we saw in the last quarter of the stock market in 2023 and give a quick outlook for 2024. So let's dive into the highlights. After a challenging start to the final quarter of the year, the market surged to life with the Federal Reserve announcing at least 3 planned rate cuts in 2024. The stock market posted its 5th best year in the last 20 years. Stocks surged in November and December, erasing a tough October to finish the quarter sharply higher. The last 2 months of the quarter, the S&P 500 advanced for 9 straight weeks. 2023 was really a tale of two markets, with mega cap technology stocks having a much stronger performance than the rest of the markets. The S&P 500 was up about 26% for the year. However, the Magnificent Seven stocks, which are Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, which is the parent company name of Google, and Meta, which is Facebook, those stocks accounted for over half of the gain in 2023. Inflation pressures continued to ease in the fourth quarter, and while we have seen a significant improvement from the 9.1% peak back in June of 2022, there's still a ways to go to reach the Federal Reserve's target of 2%. Navigating the markets in 2024 will present many of the same challenges and opportunities we saw last year. However, there are 3 areas to which we'll be paying close attention to. First is monetary policy of the Federal Reserve Board. That will dictate much of the mood in the markets. There are 8 Federal Reserve Open Market Committee meetings in 2024, and although it's currently anticipated that rates will go down, the Fed remains committed to achieving the 2% inflation rate goal and intends to adjust rates accordingly should inflation pressures have a resurgence. Geopolitical risks also resonated through the markets, and should the tensions either escalate or hopefully find resolution. Typically, these risks emerge whenever there is a major shift in power or a conflict or crisis. Uncertainty with these issues are a key fear for equities, and we'll continue to keep an eye on how they may affect the stock markets. And lastly, the results of the 2024 presidential election will influence future tax policy and government expenditures, and will have an impact on the general economy. So in conclusion, while the crystal ball is always a little bit hazy, it's clear that 2024 holds promise and challenges. The key, as always, is to stay informed, remain adaptable, and approach the market with a diversified and thoughtful investment strategy. We are thankful for the trust you have in us, and as always, if you have any questions, please reach out. We look forward to seeing you soon.